everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Safran and in today's video I have created this gorgeous Valentine makeup look. So like you can see, this look is very simple, especially if you're a beginner. Don't you worry, I've got your back. So without any further ado, let's create this look. And if you are loving this look, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel and let's get started. Now, even if you're a beginner, applying a moisturizer is absolutely very important. You can use any moisturizer you have, and then using a under eye cream is must, because when we apply the concealer it won't crack or become patchy. Leave it for 5 minutes and then we'll start with the primer. For primer, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfecting Primer. This is gonna give me a nice smooth base on my face and also close my pores. Now for color corrector, I'm using this PAC orange corrector. Now I'm a person who has deep dark circles as well as pigmentation. That's why I'm using a corrector. If you don't have any of that, you can totally skip this step and directly start with the foundation. To blend this in, I'm going to use my fingers only. You guys can like use a brush or anything that's comfortable for you. Now for foundation, today I have this gorgeous Miss Claire foundation. Oh my god, this foundation is so beautiful. It gives you a nice glowy finish on your skin naturally without any stroke cream, because it's a dewy foundation, of course. Now for concealer, I've used my Lakme 9 to 5 concealer, and I'm applying this on my eyelid area and blending this with the help of a concealer brush. Once I'm done with that, we are going to start with our eye makeup, but before that, let's finish up the base. Now I'm going to use the Plum's Touch and Go. This is basically a lip and cheek tint, so I'm just using this as a blush. And for powder blush, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Facelift palette, contouring my face, and I'm gonna top off a little bit of blush from the same palette on the cream blush that we applied. And today I'm gonna do a proper nose contour, because I want my nose to look absolutely slim, for which I'm just taking a smaller brush using a powder contour. I'm drawing lines understand one thing about nose contour: the closer the lines you draw, the smaller your nose looks. Now to set this all in place, I'm using the Max Studio Fix Compact. This is absolutely stunning, gives you a little extra coverage also. I've just applied this on my under eye area, basically the T-zone, that's all. And to fill in my eyebrows, I'm using the Blue Heaven eyebrow pencil. This is so good and very affordable. These days I'm into only affordable products, so yes, this is absolutely gorgeous. Once I'm done with that, now I'm gonna start with eyeshadow, for which I'm using the e.l.f. Bite Size eyeshadow palette. Here I'm just picking up a color on a blending brush and I'm just patting it. Easy, right? Even if you're a beginner, you can do this. Just from inner to outer corner, pat a little bit of color like this. Now the corners or the ends of the eyeshadow is something you have to blend. Once you blend it out, take a shimmer and just apply it on the areas wherever you applied a matte shadow. So that's how simple it is. See, this is what it looks like. Now I'm just gonna take the same shadow and apply it even in the lower lash line area, so that my eye makeup kind of looks balanced. And then we are using the Blue Heaven sketch eyeliner. Here, don't worry, since it's an eyeliner, you don't have to be afraid. Just draw a basic eyeliner as clean and neat as you can. That's the most important thing you have to do on both the sides, which is what I'm doing here, right? Once I'm done with this, now I'm gonna start drawing a line, something like this. Watch carefully. From my lower waterline, I'm just drawing a small guideline like this. Now instead of connecting that line from the corner, halfway through I'm getting it back. If you feel that wing liner is something very difficult for you, just skip it, just apply a basic liner, even that's fine. I added a pair of lashes. It's your choice if you want to, otherwise just apply a good coat of mascara. For lip liner, I'm using the My Glams lip liner. Now I tried really hard to find the shade of this lip liner, but I couldn't. If I do, then I'll put it in the description for you guys. And I'm using this as a lipstick. Can you see how good this lip liner is? You can use this directly like a lipstick even if you don't want to use a lipstick. Now anyways, I'm gonna use a lipstick which is from Lakme. Shades and everything will be in the description, so do not forget to check. This shade is absolutely bomb for a deeper darker skin tone like mine. Once I'm done with that, I'm using a Inside Cosmetics lip gloss to give that juicy, like hot lippy kind of effect. And that's it, that completes my look. Now if you did enjoy this, you have to subscribe to my channel and drop a comment so that I can come up with such beautiful videos. Every comment motivates me to create new videos. So do not forget to comment, and I'm gonna see you guys in the upcoming videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye.